Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be teaching you how to use Google Forms to create your form for any purpose. So let's go to our Chrome browser and type in docs, that's docs.google.com/forms. Then enter. So it's going to bring you to this particular page. Since what we want to design or what we want to create here is a form, you can avoid the stress of going for the blank one and just head straight to contact form. This one, just click on this contact form. So I'm going to click on it now, the contact form or contact information. So here we have some of those things already. Can we see? Here we have the name already. We have the name already, the email address, the address of the person, the phone number of the person, and some comments. Now let's see, what if you want to add some other details? Let's say the name of your business. Let's say the name of my business. I want to enter it here. I want to enter Treflow Publishers. Okay, so I can also say contact form instead of contact information, or whatever, anyway I prefer it. Okay, so let's say you want to add another question that is different from what we have here. So you just go to this, look at this place. The first one here, this first one is a plus sign. So you just click on the plus sign, then you can type in something like, which social media do you use do you often use? So if you want to supply the list of social media handles, you can come to this part, click on that drop down arrow, click on checkbox multiple choice drop down. So if you click on multiple choice checkboxes and drop down, it means you are going to supply options for them to choose from. But if you want them to use their own hand to type it, you can just pick short answer, not paragraph, short answer, and they will have to supply the answer. So let's assume you want them to give you their ID card. Let's say you want them to submit their ID card. So you can have upload your, or let's say signature. So you are going to come back to this place that I showed you. You're going to come back here, click on this drop down arrow and click on file upload. Can we see that? File upload. So if you click on that, it means you are allowing your respondent to do what? To upload a file. So you click on continue. Can we see? Continue. So for this particular form I'm creating, they'll be able to supply me. If you want them to specify a particular type, maybe an ID card, signature, or whatever, you check this place. But if any type of document can be uploaded, you uncheck it and leave it the way it is. Then you can click on required. This required here that I just clicked on means if they don't provide that particular information, they will not be able to submit that form. That's the meaning of that. So I've shown you that. Okay, let's say you want to add date, you want to add time. Look at those ones here. You can just go with any of those things as you wish to. So when you are done with your form and you want to probably format it, you want to add the logo of your business, you can come to this place, this thing here. Can we see? You can just come here, then click on now I want to add logo. I'll just go to image uploaded. So it will take me to my gallery. Just go to upload, go to browse. Now I'm heading straight to my gallery to go pick the logo of my business. It means for you to do that, you must have the logo of your business on your phone already. Okay, it's not going to be, so you have to resize it to suit. Can we see that? So this is what I'm going to do. Then I click on done. If you want to change the text color, you can change the text color here. Now I want to leave it as red, but if you want to change it to green, you just change it and you are good to go. So when you are done, you close that thing, close the thing here. Then if you want to check how your form looks like before you send it or before you copy the link, click on that preview. Can we see that eye? You click on that preview, you'll be able to see what your form looks like. Can you see? So this is what my own form looks like. Okay, now if you want to send it to people's email, all you need to do is click on this send. So click on send, and if you don't want to send it to people's mail, you want to copy the link. So when you click on that send, the next thing you will click on is this link icon. You click on this link icon. Can you see? This is the link of this form. You check this box to shorten the link. Can you see? Then you copy it. After you have copied it, you can close that one or still send it to email. If you want to send it to email, you type the email address of whosoever you are sending it to. Can you see? I've tried sending it to myself. I have entered a particular email address, and I'll click on send. So you can just copy the link and keep it, give it to your customers whenever they or a new client, whenever they need to do what, whenever they need to supply their details to you. So the details on your form is a function of what you want from your client, the information or the data you want to collect. That is what you will leave on your form. So as a form of recap, let me show you how to enter new questions. You just click on this plus sign. Just click on the plus sign, type in your request, maybe your next of kin. I'm just using this as example again. Next of kin. Now I want them to supply short answer, so I'll leave it at this. But if you want to give them options for them to just pick from, then you have to come here and click on maybe drop down, and then you put in options. Option A, Tade. Option B, Buki. Option C, Shola. When you are done, you leave that, you just check out and move on to the next thing you want to do. Now when they supply their details to you, when they fill the form, for you to access their information, you will have to come to responses. Let me show you that again. Responses. You have to come to responses. So for this particular one, there are no responses yet, so I don't have any response here yet. So when I have responses, I'm going to see it here, and under this setting, since this is not a quiz, just leave these settings here as it is to just make it a form. Just leave it as it is, then you are good to go. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.